Hi everyone. Let's take a look at Disney Genie. Disney Genie is the new complimentary service that is added into your My Disney Experience app that is really meant to help make your best Disney day. You will inspire this by adding in some of your top interests, things that will be best for your family's needs for your trip. Disney Genie is intuitive and does know when you have park tickets and park pass reservations, and those need to be in here and loaded prior to you trying to build your best Disney day. So you need to click the first day that you're going to have park pass reservations and park tickets. Everyone who's going to be attending with you that day will need to be selected on that screen. It'll then take you to the park listed that you have a park pass reservation for. On this screen, you can choose from attractions, entertainment, dining, or enchanted extras that you're interested in. These aren't things that you're making a reservation for. These are just things that you're telling Disney Genie you're interested in. You might want to experience Avatar Flight of Passage, and you definitely want to take the kids to see It's Tough to Be a Bug because there's no height requirement and you think that it's something they might enjoy. For entertainment, you think that the new Disney Kite Tales show sounds great, that the family might enjoy that. For dining, you're browsing through and you think that the Tusker House restaurant with character dining is something that would be great for the family. And if you want any enchanting extras, you can choose those on this screen too. You would then hit continue. And on the next screen, you're going to personalize your day even more by letting Disney Genie know my family's interested in Mickey and Friends, and we really would like to do some experiences for little ones. And again, more dining interests are listed. Here you can select your character dining if that's something that you think your family would enjoy. Next screen, after you hit continue, you can choose I need to see things based on height requirements. You might have a little one that you're, not sure might meet and, which height requirements that they might meet. So you might want to have that on so that you can see all of those listed. And if you have any disability concerns, the accessibility option can also be turned on for you if that's something you need. Click View My Day, and Genie will build up some options for you. These are suggestions based on what you just told Genie you're interested in. It says you can do this now if your dining window is open, which currently is 60 days prior to checking into your Disney resort. You can make a dining reservation. It's telling you here, make a reservation for Tusker House because you said that you would be interested in character dining in Animal Kingdom. It also makes other recommendations for table services, and your top attractions will be listed here, as well as other recommendations based on what you told Disney Genie you're looking for. So this is a great way, especially if you are a first-time visitor or you don't go very often and things are being added and changed and there's new things. This is a great way to tell Genie, hey, my daughter is interested in princesses, or, oh, my husband's a Star Wars fan. Put those things in here and let Genie give you those suggestions, things that you might not want to miss out on. There are 3 ways to access the Disney Genie from the home screen. You can view My Day by touching that button, or you can also hit the plus sign and select View My Genie Day and Tip Board from that area. Or you can also use the four horizontal lines in the bottom right-hand corner. If you click that, that will also populate the same screens for you. So there's multiple ways of getting there. One of the great things that the Genie tip board and My Day list out for you, it's a lot of your information in one area. Your resort hotel reservation information is here. Your park pass reservation is listed. If you have made any dining reservations, they'll be on here as well. The tip board is great because it tells you when the next show is for some of the shows, what the standby wait times are for the attractions. And the biggest part of this Disney Genie is the Disney Genie Plus Lightning Lane service. This is what you can purchase for all of your days that you have park tickets. It's currently $15 per person per day plus tax. And what that allows you to do is, as a resort guest, starting at 7 a.m. every morning of your stay, you can select your first attraction. And you'll see that at 12:06, I can book this reservation for 125. If I had the Lightning Lane added to my package, I could select that, and starting at 125, could go see that show without waiting in line. Once you use that experience, another one opens up, and you can do this all day long to avoid waiting in lines. As you can see, there's also another option called individual attraction access. The individual attraction access is for 2 attractions per park, and those are an a la carte option that you would use if you wanted to bypass the lines and the most popular attractions at the parks. Those attractions are not included in the Disney Genie Plus Lightning Lane service. They are separate. You do not have to have both. You don't have to have any. You can have one or both. You can build it however you wish, however you feel it would be best for your family. So I hope that this helped a little bit with navigating the new system and explain some of the options that we now have. Of course, contact us. We're here to help you. We'll help you build your best day in the Disney Genie service. And we're also here to walk you through how to use those Lightning Lane and individual attraction selections with the new Disney Genie Plus service. Thanks, and have a magical day.